In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, don't worry, this operation won't delete any photos or apps from your device. It will only get rid of junk files. To start, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your OPPO device. Click on Files and tap on those three lines at the top left corner right away. Now select Clean at the top and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, select Clear in the pop-up and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my OPPO was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!